Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is the 4 hour chart of gold USD, and as you can see that after the market opening, there has been an upside on the chart of gold. So gold is still maintaining the psychological support of 1700. And those who have already watched my previous video that I uploaded on Saturday, then my dear friend, nothing has changed on the chart. The levels are still very much intact. Okay, right now I'm in the 15 minutes time frame. So in case gold comes down to the 1700 level again, you will see market taking support again. And today I was just looking at the economic calendar, and there is no event on the market, so dollar will stay calm hopefully for the day. Okay, anyways, if gold comes down to the 1700 level, then yes, as it has been acting as psychological support, there is a possibility of a bounce. If market bounces, well and good, you will get another buy opportunity. But as we all know that gold is under very much selling pressure, so observation will be critical, important. If you find that gold is approaching 1700 level with heavy selling pressure, then obviously there is a chance of market breaking the support and going down. Keep in mind, there is a chance of market breaking the support and going down. If market approaches 1700 level with good selling pressure, so being a trader, observation is extremely important. Okay, so in case if you find market breaking 1700 level with good selling pressure and going down, you can take a sell position as well. And as we all know that the next important level on gold is 1680 level. There is a possibility that 1680 level will able to hold the market. But yesterday, while conducting my Saturday session, one of the member told me that 1680 level is a very popular level right now. So one thing that we must also understand, that market does not like common things. So as a result, okay, if market approaches 1680, do not expect a trend reversal. At least you can expect a bounce. But as of now, I think that you can expect some buying on 1680. Once market hits 1680, then we will decide our next strategy. Okay, so till then, keep your eyes on 1700 level. Okay, and on the other hand, 1745 to 1740 is still a very important resistance. Already I have shown my previous video, and if you want a detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday, because I do not want my viewers to repeat the same stuff, and I do not want to bore you again and again. Okay. So the most important resistance is 1745.40, and the most important support or strongest support is 1680 level. Okay, and this is a psychological support. Right now market is standing at 1765 on the 15 minutes time frame. Listen to me carefully. On the 15 minutes time frame, as you can see that we have some sort of a resistance here, or you can also call it as minor resistance. But keep in mind, this is a resistance from the 15 minutes chart. So gold is already a very dangerous thing. We all know it. Gold is very volatile, a volatile commodity. So trusting something simply on the basis of 15 minutes chart is risky. If you want to take a sell position, that's your personal opinion. I'll suggest that if you're looking for a safe trading opportunity, मतलब पैसा lose करने का हालत में एकदम नहीं है, in that case you should take a trade here. You should take a sell position here if market reverses, and if you should take a position here of taking a buy if market bounces. 1723 can be a level because it has been acting as a support here. Previously it acted as support. There is a possibility that market may try to reverse from here as well, but this is another minor support. So in case of a heavy buy in the market, if you see the market is forming big green candles, then this minor levels like 1715, 1723 will not be able to hold the market. Okay, you must understand that every level has got some strength. Okay, some levels are very strong, some levels are not that strong, and this is not at all a strong level. So it means that chance of market reversing, okay, chance of market reversing from this level is high. Chance of market bouncing from here again is high. Okay, In case market breaks also, you'll get good selling opportunity. That is also a high opportunity. But the chance of market respecting this level, see, I'm not using the word buy or sell, I'm just using the word respect. So the chance of market respecting this level is not very high because these are minor levels. Okay, so you must be careful while trading on the minor levels. If you're new trader, if you're beginner, then you must be careful with the market, and especially if you're in a very tight spot, your capital is very low, then you should trade on the levels that are good enough. Okay, so whatever you do, follow proper risk management. And today is Monday. Do not forget that market usually remains slow on Monday. Okay, market gets volatile, or you will see good volatility during the US session. Okay, till then, if market remains slow like this, don't need to take any position. Don't be a gambler, be a trader. Observe the market, enjoy the day.